When visitors are comparing products, a clear comparison table can make all the difference. Instead of asking users to switch between multiple product pages, you can present everything side by side in a clean and organized layout. In this video, we'll show you how to build a professional product comparison page in WordPress using WP Table Manager. From creating the table and adding product information to automatically syncing your data with Google Sheets. Why traditional comparison tables fall short. Many websites still rely on static HTML tables or manually updated comparison charts. They're difficult to maintain, time-consuming to edit, and often don't display well on mobile devices. As your product catalog grows, updating every comparison manually quickly becomes inefficient. WP Table Manager simplifies the entire process by giving you a spreadsheet-like editor directly inside WordPress. Create your comparison table. Build the table structure. Let's start by creating a new comparison table. Inside WP Table Manager, create a new table and define the products you'd like to compare. Each column represents a product, while each row highlights important information such as pricing, specifications, compatibility, performance, or included features. To make the table easier to read, you can insert product images, star ratings, icons, and formatted text directly into each cell. You can also apply custom colors and formatting to highlight key differences between products. If you're comparing pricing, WP Table Manager supports spreadsheet-style formulas, allowing calculations to update automatically whenever your data changes. The result is a professional comparison table that's easy to maintain and much easier for visitors to understand. Import or sync from Google Sheets. Keep your data updated automatically. Already managing your product information in Google Sheets, WP Table Manager allows you to import your spreadsheet directly into WordPress. Even better, you can synchronize your comparison table with Google Sheets, so any updates made in your spreadsheet are automatically reflected on your website. This is especially useful for teams that frequently update product specifications, pricing, or availability without having to edit the table manually. Embed the table anywhere. Publish on any WordPress page. Once your comparison table is complete, publishing it only takes a few clicks. Simply insert the WP Table Manager block into Gutenberg or use the Elementor widget to display the table anywhere on your website. The table is fully responsive, ensuring visitors enjoy the same experience whether they're browsing on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. Why use WP Table Manager? More than just a table builder. WP Table Manager is much more than a simple table builder. It combines spreadsheet-style editing, automatic calculations, advanced formatting, Google Sheets synchronization, responsive layouts, and flexible publishing tools into one powerful WordPress plugin. Whether you're comparing software, WooCommerce products, pricing plans, hosting packages, or WordPress plugins, WP Table Manager makes it easy to build professional comparison pages without writing a single line of code. A well-designed comparison page helps visitors evaluate products more quickly, understand key differences at a glance, and make more confident purchasing decisions. With WP Table Manager, you can build dynamic, responsive comparison tables that are easy to create, simple to update, and designed to grow alongside your website. If you'd like to build professional product comparison pages on your own WordPress website, check out WP Table Manager using the link in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Joom United YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more WordPress tutorials and product tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.